Hey, I'm glad you're back to continue our minion drawings. Today, let's draw Kevin. I will be using the screen size. You can use whatever canvas size you'd like. I will be using the sketching brush, 6B. I just prefer that one. You can use whichever brush you'd like. I'm just gonna grab a gray so we can sketch out Kevin. Kevin. Let's start with a body. Line. Kevin is tall. So I want to make sure I draw it's a little bit, because he's tall, he's a little bit thinner than Dave that we drew yesterday. Semicircle up top for the head. Now again, the bottom, the head is like a proper semicircle, right? Oh, semi-oval. The bottom is more squared out. Like so. So curve out the bottom edges and then just draw a line. And then you have the bottom of the minions. That's kind of the best way I can explain it. The minions' legs are all pretty much the same. The only reason a minion is tall or short is because of that body. So we got our body. Zoom in a little bit. The legs, of course, are short, like so. There's one leg. There's a second leg, like so. And one foot I'll face forward, this foot I'll face off to this side. So in order to do that, whoop, too big. The shoe almost comes up above like the pant leg, and it's circular, very cartoony, like so. You got your shoe. Now when we draw the foot facing us, we want to make sure that it's on the same line. It's a little bit wider than that pant leg. And a big semicircle like so. So now I will just erase that part. So that's front facing foot. And I'll clean up a little bit here. A little bit straight and then curves out. Like so. Because Kevin is taller, his arms are also a little bit longer. So let's start off with the eyes. The eyes and the hair. Up top, in the middle. And they're just gonna poofs out just a little bit. That's almost too much. That's it. Kevin's hair. The eyes. A little bit of a forehead. Let's just map it out. So eyes would be about here. Forehead, eyes, actually even a little bit higher. Fix the eyes in a second. That's about the eyes. The smile on Kevin is about, I want to say halfway. And then the arms. So find the halfway point. So for me, it'd be about, I think, here. So I'm going to bring the smile just a tad higher. A little bit curved, like that. And then the pant, overall legs, overalls I should say, are about there. That's good. So again, overalls. It's a rectangle. Sorry, made a mistake. It's a rectangle. Like so. And then you have the pockets. Like that. Rectangle pockets. They have a center pocket here on the pant legs. I'm going to draw a straight line here where the pocket meets that rectangle. Pocket, pocket. Looking good. Overalls go up, slightly curved. Like so. And the arm is below. So this is where the arm would begin. Let's get the other strap, make sure it's about the same height where the imaginary shoulders would be. Slightly curved. And now I will just erase a little bit to clean it up so I can draw my buttons. Zooming in, button, button. Zooming out, let's draw the hand. The arm, I should say. So let's draw one arm and hand just hanging, and the other one can be behind or in front. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Let's start off with the one hanging. So the arm goes below the body, so the fist would be around there. So draw out the noodle-like arm. It's just hanging. And our goal is to make sure this arm is equally spaced the whole way down. So just tap back and forth between your eraser and your sketching pencil. Nice, I like that. Now remember, minions have 3 fingers. So pretty much their hand looks like this. I can't have my pinky enough. But let's give him a fist, and then we'll do a hand on this side. And they have like these black gloves. So curved line for the black glove. The hand comes down. That's the back of the hand right here. Curve it forward on the bottom. Straight line for the wrist area. And then 2 bumps. And that's the fist. Erase the guide circle lines. And we have our fist. Beautiful. Looks a little funny, but that's how their fists look. Let's draw the other hand. We can even draw the hand going up. So we want to make sure the hand is about the same length as this one. So what we can actually do, selection tool, make sure, undo. Okay, selection tool, freehand, color fill off. Yours might already been off. I'm just going to select this arm, transform tool, 3 fingers down, duplicate. Now this arm is duplicated on a new layer, so I already have transform tools already selected. What I will do is bring it over, grab this green node, flip it around, and I'm going to turn off snapping so it's easier to adjust. And merge it to the body. And actually, I'm focusing where the hand is, not where the arm meets the body, because that's an easy fix. I like that. I will now tap the eraser tool and just erase a little bit of this where the meets the body. And erase the top part of the hand. And now I'll draw the hand. The hand. Quite easy. You have the wrist part of the glove. I will now draw in the middle, up top here, so center area, half a circle like so. Then, same thing on this side for the second finger. and third finger. And we want to make sure each one is equal in thickness. So this middle one is too thin. So let me just adjust that. Erase a little bit to clean up my lines. Beautiful. And those fingers look pretty equal. Nice! You can actually erase where the arm meets the body. Oops, I totally forgot. First, take that new arm and merge down to your sketch layer. Erase part of that body where the arm meets. Beautiful. Let's add in those eyes. So these eyes look pretty equal. I'm very happy with them. But we gotta add in those goggles. It's a smaller inner circle. This is a sketch, so you don't have to be too picky. This will be our guide. We'll get a perfect circle when we're adding color. But this is great practice for drawing circles. I'm going to erase a little bit of this. And ever so slightly, I will add in some shading. And if you tilt your Apple Pencil to the side, you get a shading thicker side of that brush that we're drawing with. And don't worry if it went too thick. Eraser, clean it up a bit. And you're good to go. Again, this is our sketch. It does not have to be perfect. Our straps. One strap curved on the side. This I will actually just color in. Just to give my sketch some dimension. Make sure those goggle straps are as equal as possible. Looking good. Let's add in those eyes. Kevin has always have his eyelids about, that's like a quarter closed. Because he's the intelligent one. And then his eyes, actually a little bit more. Back up. Almost halfway point. Like so. And then the eyes in the middle. Pupil. Also for a circle, pupil. And we have Gibbon. Now that I'm looking at these eyes, they're a little bit too closed for my liking. So what I'm gonna do, tap the selection tool, freehand. Hold on, let me zoom in so you can really see it. Very slowly draw around that line. Just to select the inside transform tool, and I'm gonna bring it up. Like so. And I'm gonna do the same to this eye. We need them to be equal. Transform tool. Line up that eye. I think that's better. Yeah, I like that better. So it seems like my eyelids are almost meeting that goggle strap. Yeah, smirk, smile. Kevin is complete. Our sketch is done. Thanks for joining me for the sketch of Kevin. Comment below what the next minion we should sketch out, or even what outfit you want the minion to wear, because these are just overalls, the classic overalls, but we can switch up the different outfits they have. Keep up the good job, keep sketching, sketch a little bit every day, then you can slowly improve and you'll be so happy that you do. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.